Kaizer Chiefs look promising and they look better under Fernando de Cruz. I know it's still early ukuthi simjudge Fernando de Cruz nokuthi uzoyithatha ifikise kuphi Kaizer Chiefs, but they are playing positive football since this guy took over. Clearly uyambona ukuthi umuntu that's been with the club and he kind of sort of understands the culture of the club. However, the one thing engathi izomlimaza kule season leno Fernando de Cruz ama injury, and it doesn't seem as though Kaizer Chiefs bazomsayinela ama player amasha anytime soon. It doesn't seem as though Chiefs is misele ngama player amasha. Yes, they've announced the signing of Lomchita Lona wase Tanzania, but it goes back to the conversation that I started last week. It's important to sign players. It's important now bona ngazathi player isasave ama purpose we club or release, but sign players makumele ukuthi usayine. Sometimes singabavele sichazwe nje ukusayina ngoba transfer market ivuliwe sesasayina sisayina ama player na kuma position la singawadingi khona. For me, Kaizer Chiefs continue to sign players in positions la bangaleki khona. This guy lo baqede kumsayina yena lo wase Tanzania ustrugglile nge-game time la suka khona. Number 1, uhlale isikhathi eside angadlali, probably injured, and then athina kangena he featured in a few games. However, Chiefs iyamthatha iyamsayina. There's Ndlovu in that position, there's Maboe in that position, there's uSamkelo Zwane abangaka decide nokuthi bayenzeni ngayo in that position, there's uNgcobo kuleyo position. Into ngicomplain ngayo last night ngePirates ngithi kanti why do you keep signing players kuma position la ungaleki khona, whereas you should be adding to positions where you're struggling? For me, what Kaizer Chiefs needs more is a striker, and they need a number 10 more than lama position la amanye lawa basayina ku. Now there's a number of players aba injured lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs, and this is concerning because season na iyaqala. Opaseka Mako left back ulimele, uBradley Cross uqeda ukulimala naye manje lesikhathi badlala neScotland, a left back ulimele. uDodley ubuyile but he's not akakabi match fit ukuthi angadlala. Umdu Shabalala naye ubuyile mara akakabi fit ukuthi angadlala. Khanyisa Mayo is also injured. Ushinga, another left back Kaizer Chiefs, is injured. So there's an issue ngalama player lawa ya lapha ku Chiefs. I don't know what's happening, but there definitely has to be something happening. Either lama chita lawa they are naturally weak, or abadlu kudlu right, or badlala nagabi ejimini bayalimazana bayakapana. Something must be happening. And now lama injury lawa fika ngesikhathi la lo coach Lono Fernando de Cruz is trying to build a structure ye team kuzana ma injury. On top of the injuries, Lomchita Lona they still haven't went and signed him players in the positions like Chiefs ileka khona. If Chiefs doesn't have a creative player other than Uchislet, Ethan Chislet for me is the only creative player that they have. Umfundo Vilakazi plays on the wing, umuntu othanda ukukhatha in yena uSharp uyakora, lo mfana lona vele pay na uthanda ukukhatha in uSharp and uyashuta. But ubani lo, like they need someone. If ngayenze example, who's there Mfukeng for example, ubani lo creative lo keep ama pass lo tima kushubile kubo uyostabalazela ayathola ama striker wethu ukuthi akore. They need to go and hunt for a creative player. They need to go and hunt for a number 10 and stop signing players kuma position la ningadingi khona ama player. Ku center back Inacho Miguel, uKwinika, uDodley njengoba azobuya, uThabo Mloyisane, uMsimango. How many more center backs does Kaizer Chiefs need? Instead angengimangale nabangathi bahambile futhi bayosayina basayine another center back uzuzibuzise ukuthi kanti bafethu why are we signing la singashoti khona? Asayineni la sileka khona. Definitely uPaseka Mako is injury prone. Chiefs mele imrelease. Chiefs mele hlukane nayo lomchita lo hamba udlala ku Chipa United kuphi and then Chiefs sign another left back ezocompete no Bradley Cross. uThabiso Munyani needs now umuntu azocompete nayo because uFrostler is another guy. 2 minutes wadlala injured. Thabiso Munyani 2 minutes wadlala injured. Release those players. Unfortunately kubhlungu makumele sikhuluma izinto eziso, but Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Akuna ukuthi manje big team izoba nesineke iloku ibhizi umuntu alimele season in season out kwamele bambekezelele. Kaizer Chiefs has to part ways no Thabiso Munyani. They have to part ways nalo mfana lo Paseka Mako and sign players owaziyo ukuthi laba bangayishaya 15 games not injured. I'm telling you, season izoqala, I give Thabiso Munyani 5 games uzoba injured. 5 games uzoza Sabato Thabiso Munyani is injured. And now into Eporayo is that the Kaizer Chiefs are competing in a lot of competitions this season, and one of the biggest competition yabo kule season leni CAF Confederations Cup ziyabuya. Ama team amakhulu, ama team ajwayele ukudlala iCAF Champions League kule season lena dlala lapha ku CAF Confederations Cup. Fernando de Cruz ibholo lakhe is very positive. Siyababona bomfundo Vilakazi is getting le game time lebe sifisa ukuthi ayithole. uZamile Izolo udlalile kahle. The team that Chiefs started with Izolo was a very promising promising team. Now you can imagine if management yahamba yayusainela uFernando de Cruz, more effective players. That's all they need, more effective players. Defense-wise, bashapi Chiefs. Defense-wise, basorted, bashapu, and then Alana in the middle of the park. If you're talking about the defensive midfielder, ukhona nomfana lo Ndlovu, he knows how to do all the dirty work and he gets things done for them. The only issue ilapha kuma player are effective, and uyabona ukuthi ngapha uDlodi lapho ufuna ukuhamba ngenkani because ugijimisa imali le Libya akahamba yoyidla imali. However, if he Chiefs abaqinise le ndawo lezi, sizokhuluma esinye story si different, or we're gonna say sizokhuluma the same story. Wala Eric, if Chiefs don't give the coach what he wants, we won't be in the top 5 this season. I agree with you. Kaizer Chiefs just needs to give the coach what he wants, and abaqhubeke balelelo mfana lo Nolangile Phili. Yes, I agree as a lapayana ku Chiefs, but they need to sign players for Fernando de Cruz. If Fernando de Cruz is to achieve anything kule season lena, they need to sign players. Why mina ngisho so? Lo mchita lono yakubonisa with the players that he has ukuthi une potential engakanani, and uyakubonisa ukuthi what could come of Kaizer Chiefs ne ngalabantu labanabo. So you can imagine if bahamba bayomsayinela equality nama player acacile, ama player right. Namhlanje ama PSL awards azodlala ngo7. Mina for mina, if you ask me, are useless lama awards lawa, ngisazi nesizathu sokuthi wayasase khona la South Africa. It still doesn't make sense to me ukuthi lama award asahosta virtual kanjani. So you telling me the PSL khona manje abakwazi ukuthi babhuke ivenue, ba invite labantu ababa inviteayo, ama player agqoka hamba. I mean, it's a big night for a player. Ilanga elikhulu, dress up uhambe uyothatha award uyolithola online. I don't understand. I still don't understand why these awards are online. Unfortunately, Ozona Police sonke siyazi bazomropa, angeke baze bamuphi player of the season, bazoyiphurile buhile Mfukeng, especially since uhambila overseas bazomupha yona. But for mina Ozona Police is more deserving than Buhile Mfukeng to be a footballer of the season. Ozona Police kuwo wonke ama competition Orlando Pirates compete kuwo, he's been consistent. There were games la bekangena khona from the bench angene akora change complexion a game. If akakori creator, if I can create you assister, Ozona Police did everything right for Orlando Pirates this season. If it's politely to be fair, Ozona Police bekazoyiwina. Niyazibonela bafethu bengithi nginiphi content namhlanje, angifili kahle, angikho kahle. I'm really not myself namhlanje. Ngicela ukuyivala la, ngizophinde ngibuye futhi kusasa after the awards, and then I'll have more to talk about. But I see Orlando Pirates actually you know, it's funny how masenza lama video lawa kuba ngazathi lo muntu lo ukhuluma umbheda ikinto ayikhulumayo, only for the club to actually listen. I did a video, go through the channel, kunama video wame Pirates ngishilo ngathi mina Orlando Pirates fana ne Chiefs, they are signing players in positions laba ngadingi khona. I said instead of spending 16 million on lomfana loan, 18 million on lomfana loan Emil Witbooi, thatha leyo mali hambe eEurope yofuna strike. They did exactly that. Thatha leyo mali hambe eEurope yofuna strike. Orlando Pirates did exactly that. Nabo bamsayinile lo mchita lona. Ubani uPedersen, Sebastian Pedersen bekadlala lapha ku second division yase Norway. How is he gonna do? Angazi. The problem is that EPSL is different. EPSL ayifani namanye ama league. Sometimes umuntu uyashisa akorabo 10-15 goals makadlala kwamanye ama country, makafika ku PSL struggle ngokora because of number 1 ama defender wethu ala ku PSL bayayifaka pressure, baya high pressure. But congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Let's hope this guy uzoyenza kahle. What does this mean for Yanela Mbuthuma no Radio Pane? And ngibiza laba buthu ngamabombi, because obviously this guy uzofika uzoba first choice striker, Evidence Makgopa will be the second choice. What does it mean for Yanela Mbuthuma no Radio Pane, especially Radio Pane? But the team has been patient. No Radio Pane bamphili chance bafethu uyitholile ithuba lakhe Radio Pane. Unfortunately he didn't show up. Ulithonile uyanela Mbuthuma ithuba lakhe naye, unfortunately he didn't show up. It's going to be quite an interesting season to see lapha Orlando Pirates ukuthi ubani ozothatha their position as the main striker. But yeah, I don't think Radio Pane uzodlala. I wouldn't even be shocked mangezwa bathi Radio Pane bamlonile to another team, and then after laphi Orlando Pirates release, because the boy uzamile but he failed. And Orlando Pirates, good thing bahambile bayo hunter a striker le Europe, because clearly la South Africa siyaleka, we have a scarcity ama striker, and ama striker wethu akhona la South Africa, they're not really goal poachers. If you can't beat them, join them. Mamelodi Sundowns yahambi yosayina le South America, sayina kuphi balethi striker bese bathi wina makef ba wina mayenini. So let's hope this guy will be the solution. Le Orlando Pirates idinga lapha phambili. Let's hope he's a guy owaziyo ukuthi in 8 games ushayile 6 goals or ushayile 5 goals, angafiki ke naye bese lapha yagcwala ayo bayipali le angakori nokora. Thank you for joining me, Bafetu. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bafetu. I'm not well today, but because ngiyazi ukuthi ngikhethile lento lena yokuthi mina ngumuntu lethi content and I want to have those conversations that matter. Ayikho into bekumele ngiyenze bekumele ukuthi ngirekhode ungakhohle ukungishare comment lapho. Let me know, what do you think? Mina ngithi lama injury lawa azwe affecta iChiefs, and I still think ukuthi imanagement yeChiefs needs to sign more players for Fernando de Cruz. If they don't sign him players, then kuzoba nzima ukuthi alethe ama result, but ibhola lakhe has been positive since ngimbonile. I like the way he uses uVelebaye, I like the way he uses Mfundo Vilakazi. I also like the way that adlalisa ngakhona uMaboye, because izolo ngibonile the way bekadlala ngakhona uMaboye ukuthi no man uyambona ukuthi instruction yaka coach was clear. When umsebenzi wakho ubamba ibhola uphase, don't worry about the dirty work zokumarka nani. We have our defenders who can do all of that, so it's going to be quite an interesting season. Thank you Cyril, breakfast is ready for you to eat, Abasho.